Welcome into the era of AI. Hello and welcome in this lecture in which we're going to explain everything you need to know about the motion feature. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first off, this is an image of a wizard. And this is an image of the same wizard, but we turned it into a motion. That is done using Leonardo AI. You can see that the wizard is moving his hands, showcasing a motion there. And then we have the pyramid. We took an image and we transformed the image into a video. This is amazing. The Tower of Babel, or Babylon. Now the tower is not moving, of course, here, but the clouds are, and it looks fabulous. And then here we have the shark. We've taken an image of a shark, and we have made even the shark move, and you can see how incredible that is, right? So the motion feature is powerful. We have the samurai moving, taking his sword out, and you can see that it's really fantastic. We have even moved the city of Atlantis using this feature. You can already see use cases for this. This is a burger. On the left is the image generated via Leonardo, and on the right is the burger video, as you can see it there. And so right now, without further ado, let me go and walk you through how this works. So first off, once you are at Leonardo AI, to have a better visibility, make sure that you click on your personal feed. That is the first option, because the personal feed gives you all of your image zoomed out. Now, we're not going to make the lioness move or anything of the sort, but we might try. But here, I'm interested to do some interesting stuff. Now, we have some interesting images. So we have some images of the pyramids. We have some images of Babylon. I'm going to take this image of Babel. I'm going to click it. And then what we want to do, we want to move this image. So if you click on the image, you have the option image to motion. Click on image to motion. I would recommend that you increase the strength to 10 and then hit the generate button. In which case that will go and it will start working in the backend, and you can close this. If you go to image generation, you'll find it working on it. Here we have some interesting images of the Joker. I'm interested to see how these are going to turn out. So I'm going to click on the Joker image and transform it into a motion. Generate. It costs 25 tokens anytime you generate a motion. And then here, if we can scroll down, we have some images of sharks. We have some images of a tiger. Now, we might be interested to generate a motion for a tiger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this tiger image to motion, generate. Now, sometimes image to motion doesn't work according to plan. So you might actually not get what you're looking for, but trying and trying and trying is what makes up for a good image. Here we have these images of the samurai. We can take any image, click image to motion, generate. That will generate a motion from that image. And you can do the same thing with any image here inside of Leonardo. Now, I'm interested to see how this is going to turn out, so I'm going to use this one as the final one. Let's click on this, click image to motion, and then generate some motion from it. And now we can go and visit our images. They're going to take a little bit of time, but they're going to work. And these are some incredible images that we have generated previously, that of the unicorn. And those really look amazing. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, click home. And then here, I'm going to wait for my images to be generated. So in order for you to see your images, click on the image generator. And then you can go ahead and basically find out about the images being generated. So I'm going to go ahead and click. So the first video is that of the Tower of Babel. Let me go ahead and click here and see how this is going to look. Let's play this. I'm not sure this has worked perfectly well. The lightning is still over there, but they actually kind of rotated it. The lightning is the thing that is making it look like this, but normally they should have made the lightning disappear. Here, look at the Joker. It's really incredible, isn't it? So we've managed to animate the Joker, right? So, and I think that this is how the Joker is going to sound, Joker moving his hands. This is what you can expect from a Joker, And it really does look convincing. It's like a movie. Now, the one of the tiger didn't turn out fantastic. It turned out like something from a movie where the tiger is turning to a cat or something, metamorphosis. But you can't expect the tool to do everything now. Now, it's going to improve. There is new models coming in all the time. It is great when it comes to static images. So, for instance, when it comes to images like these, images that include the person, like the Joker in this case, and even then, it's not that powerful. And images like that, where it can have the benefit of just rotating the image. And even then, it still can give you negative outcomes. But it's just iteration, iterate until you get the motion that you desire. Sometimes trying the same motion twice will get you the results. So you actually never know. I actually found that to be the case. When I use the motion for the same image more than once, every time it gives me some different perspectives. And this is the final motion right here. And it's not bad, right? Not too bad. You can see that this looks pretty good, right? And that's it about the motion feature. I'll see you next lecture, in which I'm going to introduce you to the real-time generator. Stay tuned for it. Passive Income Gen Z, wishing you the best and signing out.